Hi guys, welcome back to one of my videos on Feebee's Marvellous Creations. Today we're going to be showing you how to make a bit of artwork, because in 4 days it is Bonfire Night in the UK. Bonfire Night is when Guy Fawkes went and tried to blow up Parliament. So I don't get why we celebrate it, but it's a nice, friendly, fun way, even though during this pandemic it's quite hard. But today I might show you what we're going to be doing. So also I have another channel, it's called Feebee's Marvellous Gaming. Now I'm just doing some gaming videos. My first video I posted 3 days ago and it was about me playing Among Us. So please go and subscribe and like that video. Okay, so let's get started. So all you'll need is, I've got some toilet roll, or you can get kitchen roll cardboard in the middle, tin foil for the paint, and then I've got my little art box. I'll put that down there for a minute, where it's got all my paints and everything. Water, and there's paintbrushes in there, so I've got water here. Okay, not for me to drink. You need scissors, and I've got this art book that I got for Christmas last year with my paint, with my box of everything. So I've got pencils and everything in there. But yeah, so we're going to be doing fireworks, yeah. And I may do, because I've got 2 here, we're going to do fireworks with that one, and then yeah. For this, you may not need to, wash or get rid of these. So you won't need that many, because the paint will be really nice with all the different colours. So, okay, let's get started. So all we're going to do is grab one of the kitchen or toilet roll cardboard, and we're just going to cut like this, thin strips. So it's just like that. They don't have to be even, because fireworks aren't even. Ooh, see that one? I accidentally went a bit far, but yeah. Yeah, I've done a Minecraft video on this channel. I do hope you like that one, because that was quite fun, and I couldn't think of any ideas. Okay, we are nearly done. Yeah, you can do thick and thin. Just be careful when you get to the part where the cardboard connects. Ooh. Okay, so we've done that. Okay, so all you need to do is just bend them. Yes, so it was Halloween yesterday. Okay, so we got that. I didn't go trick-or-treating, but there was some people, because in England we weren't really meant to go trick-or-treating, but yeah. Okay, so just make sure it is even. So then you can do that. Now grab your tin foil. So if I just quickly move this out of the way, there you go. I'll put that there. Grab your tin foil. Let me just grab paint. So here on the fireworks, you can use different colour paints. So you need to remember what side it is. Aha, yes. No, wrong side. But I especially like colours. I've got to try and look down the bottom so you can. You probably want to save these. I may do I'm going to save the reds, yellows, and orange. Because we may do things below. You can get the blues, the greens. I can't see. Maybe a white. You may want to use the yellow at least, but hang on. There you go. Yeah, I got this from Hobbycraft. Okay, there you go. So I've got my colours and I may use yellow. Okay, grab your thing, we'll do this blue. I haven't used these in a long time. So. Okay, I'll use that blue and then I may use yellow at least. Okay. Okay, we got our yellows and our blue. They're my two favourite colours, so that's fine. And just what you gotta do is just go around. So right now we've got that. Okay, what else you can do is just, yeah, so the thing is when you got two different colours, yeah, they mix to make another colour, which I also like about that. So then you don't just have the yellow and blue, you got green. Okay, so you got it, and just, okay, let me just bring this in now. Press it down. It's the first time I'm trying this as well, so. It's okay. It's not the best for the first one, but you got that. And then what you can do is, if I do, oh, I did not do this. No, you can just do, there you go. Let me just draw something. Do we have anything in the straw that we do not need? Yeah, chopsticks. Don't think we need these. Perfect, that's actually pretty good. So I got these chopsticks from a restaurant. It's got like a little straight area. It's not the best, but it should do. Yeah. So I've got the straight end and I'm just going out. Okay. Yeah, it's not the best for the first one, but okay. So that was the first one. It looks just like a splodge of paint, let me show you. Looks just like a splodge of paint, but all you just gotta do is just go like that. This looks good for the first one I've ever done before. Okay. try one more. I may just try doing it with this and also with the wood. If I get a piece of kitchen towel, then you can. So I got my piece of kitchen towel. So. Okay. It's cleaner now. No. Okay. So I might do, it's called Ultramarine Blue. Yeah. And I might do that for my other one. I hate them. There we go, I've got it open. Okay. Just remember you have different types of fireworks, so let's try this. Or what you could do is place the paint in the middle of it and then go around. Yeah, blue's probably not the best colour. If you want a blue, you probably want to go light blue. If you can hear moving around, that's my dog. And the good thing about this is that you can go around. Fireworks, if you think about them, they're a little bit hard to do, especially for the first time. But that just may be me. Just remember, fireworks go out. Because I have seen some people who've done fireworks in, and that just doesn't look like. What you can also do is on mine you have the area where the paint is. Let me just get that paused for you now. There we go. So if I put that down there and I'll put the lid on this, and then I'll get told off. There you go. So if I show you, yeah. So on this one I don't really have it's just that it looks a bit like tie-dye a bit. But in this, so I've got where the paint is. That's like the little outside bit. And then after a firework you got when it just trickles out and then fades away. It's kind of like this part, kind of. Yeah. And don't forget to do different kinds of ones. what I may also do, so I got 2 chopsticks, so I'm just going to take one break. And fireworks you do at night, right? So just got to figure out how to do it. Yeah, well, it's not working. But sometimes if they're good enough, you can do polka dots for stars in the sky. They normally work, but oh, I have an idea. That's not like that. That did not work. Yeah, that's not going to work anyway. Yeah, with the parts like here, you could do little fireworks at least. You can see my fireworks aren't the greatest. And my sister would agree with that, but right now she's out. Okay. Okay, so as you can see, I got very annoyed during just fixing it up. So when I was younger, I used to do the exact same thing. I used to do that, but as you can see, it doesn't work. So that's what my channel is about, finding if it works or not. But the best way is to use your fingers. I've just had to wash my hand, but yeah. And also I had a bit of spare paint in the palette, so if I show you, you can even see a bit of my finger. So I just used it. It's not the best, as you can see, but it will do at least. So, and also, fireworks aren't all just spread out, they go overlap each other. So I think that's probably the best one of mine. That I just spilled a bit of paint, so that's why I just made it. Yeah. But yeah, so, oh, hang on, my GoPro just keeps, okay, so, yeah, this wasn't the best, but we tried our best at least. Okay, now if I put, okay, so if I put that there, because just scared about that little bit of paint. Okay, we'll move on to, so with this, yeah, you want to go wobbly because the fire's not always. This one, I think, younger children enjoy, but because this one's more, you know, this one's you move around, and yeah, you'll see what I mean in a minute. So it's quite a small one, and you're going to be going like that. Okay. this. So I put that there. Get my orange, yellows and reds and do this. Whoops, bit too much yellow. Whoopsie daisies. Look, bit too much. Can't believe it's getting so close to Christmas. Soon, during December, I may make like a little Christmas advent calendar which you can all join in on. Okay, now grab this, and if I put, you can see. If I put you there. I just need something to put the daisies in. Oh look, that looks awesome. I don't know why, but because as we all know, fires aren't perfect. Literally, they're not. And this probably, oh, I just got something in my eye. There you go. Probably the best. Oh my god, I'm going to get so tired off. There we go. Got paint on my finger. Good fires aren't. Oh yeah, and don't forget, I will be doing giveaway once we get to 20 subscribers. And just saying, I will not be doing this. I will not be sending you this. Just to say, I'll be sending you a Harry Potter wand if you win, face mask, don't know. I'm wondering, should I do merch or not? I'm trying to figure out. Because right now I think everyone, because we can all make our own face masks. There we go. Time to get messy. Okay, let me just quick. First, I'm going to wash my hands, because I know I will get. Okay. Okay. Okay, there we go. So we just have our pile of paint. Still, as I say, fires aren't best, but there was yellows and orange, but they seem to have got mixed in with the red. Just saying, I'm hiccuping. Just saying. Knew that was gonna happen. Okay. Okay. Got burnt Burnt Sienna. It's cool. Not the best name, but ooh, never been used as well. I like this part. Okay, so my GoPro literally just broke. Just ran out, but we still got thingy. Okay, let's see if I can. So I might just hold it. All you need to do is grab your finger, put it in the brown paint, and I'll show you in a minute. But all I'm doing is just making it like logs. And you make one. I love how my artwork's so bad. It's so good. I'm better drawing eyes and like facial and lips and everything. Just saying. This looks so funny. Oh, I knew that was going to happen. Yeah, so far, awful. Literally looks like a, no offense to children, literally looks like a child's drawing. And then my artwork, and then my art teacher gave me an A for my grades this month. I don't get why. Oh well. This literally looks so bad. I need to quickly grab this. Wait there. I need to grab. First I'm going to quickly. Because I know that I'm just going to stain my hands and I need to get the back. My dad will probably come home soon and be like, what the hell is this? Because that's how bad it is. Hello. So I'm just getting the lamp black, and then it's a mirror. Yeah, you need a little bit of that. Oh god. Got some on the lid, but oh well. I need to work on my art skills. Oh, I've given up on using my fingers. Come on, it's 2020. We have to use our fingers only. Was it just me, or I would always get told off when I used my fingers when I was younger? It's like, don't use your fingers. Use a paintbrush. It's just like, no. So that looks pretty good in the camera. Okay, so I'm gonna. Oh, who am I kidding? Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe and like, and go follow Feebee's Marvellous Gaming and follow me on Instagram and Twitter. Gaming's Feebee's Marvellous Gaming, same as my Creations one. Literally the exact same, but instead of Creations, it's Gaming. And on Twitter, go follow me at Creations Feebee, spelled F-E-E-B-E. Okay, who wants to see the finished? Sleepy. You can hear a weird animal. If you can hear a weird noise in the background, it's my dog. Okay, are you ready for the finished campfire? I don't think you are. It's so brilliant, I'm so proud of it. Yeah. It's not the best. Nothing's perfect. I'm just going. I need to get my granddad to teach me how to draw again. You tell, never trust me with paint. Always trust me with a paintbrush. But I've got brand new paintbrushes and I don't want to ruin them yet. I'm going to wait. Here's yeah, there's my fire. Got a little bit of water. How about it? Oh my god, yeah. So if you got bold patch of black or something, just get a little bit of water. So got a bit of water on my finger. And it will turn into a dark brown. And friends, everything, subscribers, don't judge my artwork. I'm just having a little bit of fun, even though we're in lockdown. There we go. And I don't think anyone wants to see my fireworks. Oh, damn it, no. Hang on. Some technical difficulties. If I do that. Yeah, not the best fireworks I've done, but. And my mum does an even better artwork with fireworks than I did when I was younger. But yeah. Okay. Thanks for watching this video. Bye.